Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 31. I'm going to quickly go over what you're going to be working on this week. This week is going to be a 1 week assignment. Next week will probably be a 2, but I need to take a break and do something a little different. We're still working in Onshape, still doing our CAD drawings, but this time it's going to just be a one drawing kind of deal, one 3D model part kind of deal. So you're going to be doing a cell phone design. Now, your cell phone, you'll be creating a case for the phone that you currently have. So keep your phone in mind. Here's my phone. I mean, this is the case that I have on it, but this case is probably 3 parts: front plate, back plate, and then this protective like rubber case. So if you want to do that, you're welcome to, but again, 1 week. The point of this is that you could actually 3D print it on my school computer or on my school 3D printer. Are we going to? That's a good question. If I feel that yours is good and that you did take your measurements carefully and that it might actually fit, we can do that. I don't see why not. I've included in Schoology, you'll see 2 links to 2 different websites that give you some generic size information. So you can see here, it doesn't give you radiuses of the corners, but you can Google ways to figure that out. And then here's another one. Samsung Galaxy, let's select this one. So if I click on it, I scroll to the top, it gives you some generic information there as well. You will probably have to take measurements from your phone using a ruler, using a caliper, using whatever form of measuring device that you want. You're going to be turning in a fully dimensioned drawing to me in the turn-in spot that I have. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will not be here the 8th or the 9th, and I'm going to be posting a video just, again, going over what I'm going over right now. But if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a Schoology message. I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, just ask your questions in class. That's probably the best way to get your answers quickly. Please, when you're designing these, take into consideration your camera on the front, your microphone and your speakers, your buttons, your cameras on the back. All those things you need to take into consideration when designing your phone case cover. It also has to have a way to actually like attach onto it. If you make it a perfect fit to the back and to the sides, that's good. The phone will fit in it, but what's going to keep it on? So keep those things in mind. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later.